Hey, Bill here at Maple Toyota, and take a look live across here. They are unloading the new 2022 Tundra. So let's go over and see how it looks. Hey, look who we got, John. What a coincidence. Fresh arrival from the factory, 2022 Tundras. Watch out for the traffic. Look at this view. Woo! All right, one Tundra off the truck. Next will be the blue one. We got an SR5 over here. All right. All right. So 2022 Tundras, we're going to be taking them straight inside, getting them PDI'd and ready for their customers. You ready for your shot? There it is, the new YouTube sensation.
Thank you.
All right, what's your name?
Simon.
All right, Simon. Simon, the Tundra truck unloader from the transport company. Come on down, get on down. Yeah, throw it right inside, please. All right, thanks, Simon.
Yeah, you're welcome.
John's gonna bring it inside for us. We've got the TRD. Look at this green color. Hey, Bill here again, and I got Jonathan, my cameraman. We are going to do our second unboxing of the Toyota Tundra because we just got a few more in. We got the Lunar Rock over there. We got another SR5 in blue. So, here you go, John. Hold on to the camera. All right, let's get this one off. I'm getting better at this.
Oh yeah.
What do you think, John? We're gonna leave the racing stripe on the hood?
Looks good.
Leave it like that? Alright, let's peel this off. And we got the V-Lad in the background. V-Lad! How do you like it? I love it.
Love it. Oh, it looks good.
Let me take a look. But I like it. Alright, let's take a look.
Alright.
Alright, we're gonna get that seat cover off. Seat cover number 2. All right.
Looking good.
Turn over to this side, John. We'll take a look at the mats. I'll put them behind us. Come around. So we've got the rubber mats. We've got the carpeted mats. That's how it comes in Canada. Now, I noticed in the other video I made of the unboxing, I made an error. Come on over here, John. I said we got the tire iron and the hitch. What I meant was, of course, the jack, not a hitch. So let's peel off the plastic.
Looking good.
And I'll get the plastic from the other side. The books are over here. We're going to get to that in a second. The lock nuts are over here. Cover for the tow hitch. There's a strap somewhere. We're going to figure that out after.
And where to now?
Let's take a quick look at the books over here. Pouch for the key. Whoa! Owner's manual supplement with the maintenance information. Welcome to Connected Services. Welcome to your new Toyota. Details there, what to do in the event of an accident and when you need repairs. Your owner's manual pouch and the owner's manual for the multimedia stereo display. And then in here is the Tundra owner's manual. So there it is, 2022 Tundra in Lunar Rock, TRD. Come on down, get on down to Maple Toyota. Hopefully we'll have some more soon.